Hello world! Today I just wanted to shoot a quick video to show you my actual earnings from within My Online Startup, or MOS. I posted some screenshots, but some people think I'm faking it, so video is much harder to fake. Let's go to ClickMagick, click Bank, log in. Here's my user ID. And here's my earnings so far. You can see my earnings today, Friday the 22nd of May, is $533.06 so far. Now let's go and take a look at My Online Startup. I'm going to go to earnings. As you can see that so far, this is for 2020. So far I've been paid $5,908. That includes all those ClickBank earnings you saw before. And then I have second tier commissions of $400 and $250. That's if you upgrade to Legendary. You get to make those additional bonuses. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.